Interesting that we have been discussing the responsibilities of Tony Walker Financial in regards to how we invest our clients' money and watching over the safety of their retirement. At the core of our approach and stellar service is this notion that this money is not our money, but the client's money. Speaking of watching over others' safety, the Bible talks a lot about those in charge of watching over the needs of others. It's on full display when talking about sheep and shepherds. Now, when I talk about sheep, the Bible in many cases is not talking about the old woolly kind, but what we like to say, the wandering kind. The kind of sheep that gets confused, scared, and tends to wander off from their shepherd. But it's not always the sheep who God speaks to, but the shepherds charged with watching over them. Check it out in 1 Peter 5:2-3, where it reminds those who oversee the safety of others to put the flock under their care and watch over them, since the Lord has entrusted them to the shepherd. So who are we at Tony Walker Financial to watch over and to protect when it comes to their money? That's right, it's the saver. That person who wants somebody like us to watch over their money, not just when they retire, but all the way through retirement. The verse of Scripture I personally lean on to keep me focused on watching over my clients' accounts is found in Proverbs 27:23-24. We are told to be sure you know the condition of your flocks, give careful attention to your herds, for the riches, it says, do not endure forever. And isn't that the point, folks, of working with any advisor? To find someone who you feel you can trust to not just invest your money, but to watch over it in a way that only someone who truly cares about you will watch over it.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips. And be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.